Islamic Republic of Pakistan is a country in South Asia. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, 1876–1948, is founding father of the nation and served as Pakistan's first Governor-General. It is the world's fifth most populous country and has the world's largest Muslim population. Islamabad is the nation's capital, while Karachi is its largest city and financial center, followed by Lahore and Faisalabad. Pakistan is the 33rd largest country in the world by area and the second largest in South Asia. Pakistan is a middle power nation and has the world's sixth largest standing armed forces. It is a declared nuclear weapons state and is ranked amongst the emerging and growth-leading economies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe the channel.